Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're going to explore a powerful tool in English that helps express possibilities, abilities, permissions, and obligations, modal verbs. Since we're focusing on the C1 level, we'll look at some advanced uses of modal verbs to add subtlety and precision to your speech. So, what exactly is a modal verb? Modal verbs are special auxiliary verbs like can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, and would. They add meaning to the main verb by expressing ideas like possibility, necessity, or permission. Modal verbs don't change forms based on subject or tense, which makes them incredibly versatile and essential for fluent communication. Let's go through some examples to understand how modal verbs work. She might come to the party, where might expresses a possibility. Or, in you must finish the project by tomorrow, must indicates an obligation. At the C1 level, modal verbs are often used to convey subtle nuances. For example, he could have helped if he'd known. Uses could have to show a hypothetical ability in the past, or you should try the new restaurant to give a recommendation without sounding too forceful. These uses help make your language sound more natural and considerate. In daily conversations, modal verbs are incredibly helpful. Imagine you're giving advice, you might say, you might want to double-check the details. Or, if you're planning something with a friend, you could say, we could go to the beach if the weather is nice. Modal verbs allow you to sound polite, flexible, and thoughtful, especially in social and professional settings. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to practice using modal verbs in different contexts to enhance your fluency and expressiveness. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review if you're enjoying the podcast. Your support helps others find the show, and we love hearing from you. Thanks for joining me today to explore modal verbs at the C1 level. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.